नमस्कार. अस्मिताच्या आयच्या भागान गोमंतक टीव्हीचेर तुमकां सगळ्यांक येवकार. प्रत्येक मनशाच्या जिवितान वायट आनी बरो काळ हो आसतात. बरो काळ आयलो की मिजाज करची न्ही आनी वायट काळ आयलो की खचून वचचें न्ही. जेन्ना तुमी खचून वचनासतना तुमी सगळ्या संकटांचेर मात करून फुडें वतात तेन्ना आमी भांगरा सारकी चकचकतात. आनी अशेंच व्यक्तिमत्व आज आमच्या भागान आयिल्लें आसा. आमच्या आयची गेस्ट अशेंच वेगवेगळ्या संकटांतल्यान स्ट्रॉंग वुमन कशी भायर सरल्या. आज ती एक स्ट्रॉंग वुमन आसा आनी खुबशा बायलां खातीर ते एक उदाहरण आसा. मेळुया आमच्या आयच्या सोयरेक आनी जाणून घेवया तिचो प्रवास.
रहिला खान ह्यो गव्हर्मेंट पॉलिटेक्नीक कॉलेजींत फॅशन डिझायनिंगच्यो लेक्चरर म्हणून काम करता. खुबशे फॅशन शोज आयोजीत करपाक तिचो आस्पाव आसा. द स्टेलर शो, इंटरनॅशनल फॅशन वीक, एशिया फॅशन एवॉर्ड्स अशे फामाद फॅशन शोज करपाक तिचो व्हडलो वांटो आसता. खुबशे फॅशन शोज आनी ब्युटी पॅजंट्स तिणें जज केला. सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटान प्रायोजीत केल्ल्या कम्युनिटी डेव्हलपमेंट स्कीम पॉलिटेक्नीक कॉलेजच्या वतीन ती कॉर्डिनेटर म्हणून काम पळयता. खुबशा बायलांक ती प्रशिक्षण तशेंच मार्गदर्शन करता. तशेंच बायलांक आपलो वेवसाय सुरू करपाक मजत करता. सामाजीक कार्यांनी तांकां खूब आवड आसा आनी ह्या क्षेत्रांत तिचें खूब योगदान आसा. तिच्या ह्या कार्या खातीर गो वुमनिया, शीशॅम्स, तरंग आनी उडान अशा खुबशा स्वयंसेवी संस्थांनी तिका सन्मानीत केला. एड्युकेशन आयकॉन एवॉर्ड तांकां फावो जाला. मेळुया आमच्या आयच्या अस्तुरेक रहिला खान हांकां.
अस्मिताच्या आयच्या भागान रहिला मॅम तुमकां येवकार. सगळ्यांत पयलो प्रश्न तुमकां विचारन दिसता की तुमी आतां फॅशन इंडस्ट्रीन सुमारे 31 वर्सां तुमी आसात आनी ह्या फिल्डान तेन्ना चडसो स्कोपूय नाशिल्लो आनी चडशे लोक ह्या फिल्डान वचय नाशिल्ले. पण तुमी हेच क्षेत्र कित्याक तुमी चूज केले?
First, I wanted to be a doctor. I took science, and when we did that laparoscopy and I saw blood, I got scared. तेन्ना म्हाका दिसलें की म्हाजे कडेन जायना. Then the next best was fashion. Every woman likes to dress up, and I thought this is my field. My father was little disappointed, but finally he said, "This is what you want, then I'll help you." So I did my course in Bangalore because that time there was nothing in Goa, and before I passed out, I got married in the second year itself, and final year I went and completed, came back to Goa, and I'm here for the last 31 years. Haven't moved from here, just traveling. And that time people used to ask me, "Tumhe kite kele? Fashion designing? Te kite? Te stitching and clothing, you know, te tailoring, tashe." But then I used to convince them that tailoring is different and fashion designing is different. But people used to not understand. They used to say, finally it is the same. But fashion designing has many other things.
तुम्ही जशें म्हणलें की खूब लोकांक दिसता की फॅशन डिझायनिंग म्हणल्यार फक्त टेलरिंग करप. म्हणजे अजुनूय लोकांक अशें दिसता की फॅशन डिझायनिंग म्हणल्यार फक्त टेलरिंग. पण फॅशन डिझायनिंग म्हणल्यार एक्चुअल कितें आनी भितर कितें कितें कवर जाता?
Okay, when you go to a tailor, तू तुमची आपले कपडे घेता आणि तेका डिझायन दिता आणि सांगता म्हाका ही डिझायन जाय. बट वेन यू गो टू अ डिझायनर, तू तेजे हातीन सगळे असता. दॅट डिझायनर विल डिसाईड तुका कसले कलर सूट जाता. तू मोठे हा, धाकटे हा, व्हडले हा, कितें हा, तुका मातशें आमचे एक इल्युजन असता. So if you are fat, we can make you appear thin only with clothes. Then you know somebody who's short, we can make that person appear taller. So you know a designer can decide what will suit you. The designer will design clothes, will do cutting, stitching, embellishing. And designing is not just designing. We have to sell in bulk. Industrial subjects bhi asta amche, entrepreneurship asta. Our students can open their own boutiques. There are 32 subjects.
स्कोप कितें आसा सध्या आतां हेतून?
खूब स्कोप आसा. Our students become fashion stylists, fashion designers, lecturers. They become fashion coordinators. They can become event managers, and never ending. They can start embroidery at home. Even sitting at home, they can earn money.
जेन्ना आमी अशे वेगवेगळ्या बायलां कडेन उलयता, आमी प्रत्येक बायलांच्या लायफान कितें ना कितें असो एक टायम येता, असो वेळ येता तेन्ना तांच्या खुबशे प्रॉब्लेम्स येता आनी तुमच्याय लायफान अशेच प्रॉब्लेम आयिल्ले ताजे बद्दल तुमी कितें सांगतले आनी ते तुमी कशे ओवरकम केले?
So many things happen. Saglyank problems asta. And in my life, the worst tragedy was my husband's death. And living with somebody for 21 years, I could not imagine life without him. That was the worst phase. And people did not support. But people were, instead of being with me, they were like, she didn't look after him properly. She took him to GMC, so he died. So all kinds of things I have heard. But I have the best family and the best friends. My in-laws, खूप बरे. माझी सासूमाई आशिल्ली. She was very nice. My friends have supported me totally, and my son was there. My son was 14 years old. So I used to be very depressed. I used to be hospitalized. Then one day I thought, whatever I do, my child sees. If I am sad, my child is sad. If I cry, my child cries. If I am happy, my child is happy. So I started pretending to be happy. Actually, I was very sad, but I used to smile, I used to dance, I used to go for movies. My child used to be very happy. Then I started actually feeling happy, and I am remarried, and today I'm actually happy.
म्हाका ते सगळ्यांच्याच लायफान कितें ना कितें हे प्रॉब्लेम्स आसतात, पण ते कशे फेस करप आनी कशे ताचेर मात करप हे म्हाका दिसता आमचे बरोबर जेन्ना अशे अस्तुरे येतात तांचे कडल्यान आमकां इन्स्पिरेशन मेळटात आनी त्योच कितलेशेच बायलां खातीर इन्स्पिरेशन थारतात. आनी अशीच आमचे बरोबर आमची आयची गेस्ट आसा रेहिला मॅम, ती खरेंच एक इन्स्पिरेशन आसा. ती शिकयताय भुरग्यांक फॅशन डिझायनींग, तशेंच ती खुबशे कम्युनिटी प्रोजेक्ट्स करता. ताच्या बद्दल आमकां सांगा.
From my childhood, because I am from a Muslim community, and we were told that girls will not work. So I always thought I'll get married and stay in the house. So I always wanted to do social work. I thought I will at least help people. I'll always help people. So I wanted to do this. Then finally I got into fashion designing. Then I got this job, everything. And one day we got this scheme in our college, Community Development through Polytechnic scheme. It's a central government scheme. ते खूप बरे scheme असा. In that we train 600 people in a year in different fields. So my principal asked, do you want to take it? I said, want to take it? I would love to take it. And from that time I have taken, and I love that. So I'm enjoying doing that, helping people, being with them. तेका खूपसे कोर्सेस बी दिता मी, तेका रजिस्ट्रेशन्स हेल्प करता सगळे.
ओके, म्हणजे तुमचे ते स्वप्न आशिल्ले तुमचे कडेन आयले अशें
Yeah.
तुमचे. पण जेन्ना कोर्सीस तुमी म्हणटा, स्किम्स बायलां खातीर खुबश्यो स्किम्स आसा, पण चडश्यो बायलांक खबरूय आसना किंवा कोर्सीस गव्हर्मेंटाचे थ्रू आसता, ते कशे कितें आसता?
आता मातशे आसा, कित्याक जाणा एवरी विलेज हॅज गॉट दी स्वयंपूर्ण मित्राज. दे आर गोईंग एंड टेलिंग द विलेजर्स what is there. Earlier people did not know. Ata government has done a lot in the last few years, and I'm seeing a lot of change. People are educated, they know what are the different schemes, and they take advantage of all the schemes. The only thing I feel bad is they are taking free courses here, but they are not doing anything with it. So I tell them, this is not a hobby. Please do something. Government money is your own money. Okay, don't waste it. That is what I keep telling them, that and I encourage them, make them start something, and so many women have started, and I'm happy about that.
पण जेन्ना तुमी अशे गांवांनी वता, खुबशे बायलां कडेन इंटरेक्शन जाता, तुमचे कोर्सीस तुमी हे घेता, पण तेन्ना तुमकां रिस्पॉन्स कसो आसता?
खूप बरे आसता. Response is very good. In fact, ते इतले आमकां बरे करता न्हू. I feel in teaching also I enjoy. My students are very nice. But the love I get in the villages, they come and they will, want to be with you. ते बरे दिसता आमकां. Response is always good, and panchayats help us. All the MLAs are very good. So far I have never met anybody who's bad.
म्हाका दिसता आपल्याचेरूय आसा, आपण जितले
Yeah.
बरेपण दितले तितलेच आमकां बरेपण परत
To
मेळटा.
attract your kind.
तुमचो हो फूल प्रवास, ह्या प्रवासान तुमी खुबशे उतर चढाव म्हणटात तुमी पयले, तुमी खुबशे प्रॉब्लेम फेस केले, खुबशे बरे लोकांकूय मेळ्ळी, खुबशे वायटूय लोकांक मेळ्ळे आसतले, पण ह्या सगळ्या हितून तुमकां तुमचो स्ट्रॉंगस्ट सपोर्ट कोण कसो दिसता?
I don't know, my husband, my father, my brothers, my son, everybody, my friends, best friends in the world. And everybody has been nice to me. Some problems are there, everybody has problems, but life goes on. and I think biggest strength is that me, the way I think. I always feel I have my happiness in my own hands. I'm not dependent on my son or husband or brother or friend for to be happy. I'm happy.
म्हाका दिसता जशी रेगला मॅम चिंता जी सगळ्यांनी चिंतपाक जाय की सगळ्यांक व्हडली शक्ती जी आसता ही आमी दुसऱ्यान सोदच्या पेक्षा किंवा सपोर्ट दुसऱ्या मदीं सोदच्या पेक्षा स्वताकूच स्वताची शक्ती तयार करपाक जाय, स्वताकूच स्वताचो सपोर्ट दिसपाक जाय. म्हाका दिसता तेज्या पेक्षा चड इतले स्ट्रेंथ किंवा सपोर्ट आनी खंयचो आसना जितलो स्वताचो आसता. रायटली सेड, तुमी सामकें परफेक्ट सांगलां. म्हाका दिसता प्रत्येकान तुमच्या भशेनूच चिंतपाक जाय आनी म्हाका दिसता तेन्नाच सामकी सगळ्या संकटांचेर मात करून फुडें वचूं शकता. आणि आता तुम्ही म्हणता तशें फॅशन डिझायनींग किंवा फॅशन वर्ल्ड जो आसा, कितलेशेच फॅशन शो आसात ते तुमी खुबश्या फॅशन शो किंवा फॅशन हावजाचे तुमी एक पार्ट जाल्ले आसा, खुबशे ऑर्गनायझींग कमिटीनूय तुमी आसता. जेन्ना हे फॅशन शो हांगा ऑर्गनायज करता तेन्ना तुमचो रोल कितें आसता, तुमी कितें करता?
इंटरनॅशनल फॅशन वीक फर्स्ट शो हांव गेले एक गेस्ट आनी हांव ताका सांगलें की ते तुमचे स्टेज बरे नाशिल्ले, तुमचे अँकर बरे नाशिल्ले, ते बरे नाशिल्ले. ती सांगले म्हाका, मॅडम तुमी यो न्ही, आमकां मातशें मेंटरींग कर, आमी नको ते कशें करपाचें. तो आफ्टर दॅट फ्रॉम द सेकंड शो टील टुडे वी हॅव डन 8-9 shows. I am the main person. I am helping them and they are very good. So they call me their mentor. I help them to organize and just in friendship. So I am enjoying that. I meet a lot of people from all over India, all over the world. And even in my own field I learn because people come from outside. So we do that. Then I am part of Asia Fashion Awards. I am part of Stellar Fashion Show, Stellar Mr. Miss and Mrs. Goa. Then I have done couture show for these designers and I have been part of many shows and it's nice.
म्हाका दिसता खूब जाणां आसा, यूथ आसा, आतांची तरणाटी भुरगीं आसा किंवा खंयची बायल आसा, जेन्ना स्वताक ती अशी बरी दिसता कशी तिका फील जाता तेन्ना ऑटोमॅटिकली कॉन्फिडन्स वाडटा आमी अशें म्हणटात. पण खुबशे आमी अशे चलयो पळयला जेंकां कॉन्फिडन्स लेवल खूब कमी आसता. तांकां दिसता की ना आपूण बरें दिसना किंवा आजकाल आमी चडसो बॉडी शेमिंगाचो इशू आयकला. लोकांक दिसता की खंय तरी ना आपूण काळे आसा किंवा आपूण मोठे आसा. ह्या सगळ्या भितर तुमी जेन्ना ग्रुमींग टिप्स दिता तेन्ना तुमकां कसो अनुभव येता आनी खरेंच हे टिप्स तुमी लोकांक अशे लाभ जाता लोकांक?
First thing I tell them, don't do anything artificial. If you are going to use a fairness cream, they have sodium in it. It will lead to skin cancer. I am dusky. All my life people have told me you are dark, you are dusky. All my family is fair. I don't care. This is me. This is how I am. And people will love you for your work. So you have to accept yourself as you are. Makeup is good. Makeup should only enhance your beauty. Makeup should not make you a different person. So I tell all my models that don't do anything artificial. No surgeries, no Botox, no nothing. I don't believe in that. Please be natural and be proud. Everyone is beautiful. Everyone. When we see animals, what makeup do? They look so nice. So we are all beautiful. God has made us. God can't make any mistakes.
ओके, दिसता तुमचे कडेन उलयतना खूब जाणांक इन्स्पिरेशन मेळटलें, खुबश्यो बऱ्यो गजाली तुमचे कडल्यान शिकपाक मेळटल्यो. पण जेन्ना आमी म्हणटात की खंयची चली जे अशे फॅशन डिझायनिंगाक वता किंवा फॅशन शो खातीर वता तेन्ना ताच्या हितून अशें हो फील्ड असो आसा, आमी म्हणटात की खुबशे प्रॉब्लम्स येतात. तुमी ह्या फिल्डान आशिल्ली, सो तुमकां कितें वायट अनुभव, बरो अनुभव कितें आशिल्लो, कितें आयिल्लें तुमच्या वाट्याक?
I don't know, म्हाका phone I think people kind of get intimidated. I have not had anybody troubling me. So nobody comes anywhere near me. But if anybody comes and tells me, any model comes and tells me that somebody is not behaving properly, I take action. And I'm very, very protective about my models, my helpers. I make sure that they reach home. Sometimes I have gone and dropped people home. I talk to the parents. Everybody has that thing that, okay, Raila ma'am is there, then it is safe. So parents also have that faith, and I am protective about girls more than boys. So I am very, very particular that if I see any man coming anywhere close also, I will just give one stare and then they are like, okay. So I do take care. There are people, there are all kinds of people everywhere.
आता खुबशी भुरगीं आसा जेंकां ह्या फॅशन वर्ल्डान, फॅशन इंडस्ट्रीन तांकां आपलें प्रोफेशन करपाक जाय, तांच्या खातीर तुमी कितें सजेस्ट करतली? तांच्यांनी कशें कितें फुडें वचपाचें?
There are 2-3 things in fashion what they want to do. If they want to become fashion designer, इट इज़ व्हेरी नाइस एंड व्हेरी व्हेरी गुड बिकॉज तुमकां खुबशे आमचे कोर्स ते आसा न्हू, इट्स जस्ट कॉल्ड अ डिप्लोमा, बट वी आर टीचिंग मोर देन डिग्री लेवल. We are teaching in textiles, we are teaching them about cutting, stitching, embroidery, embellishments, and we are teaching them about industry, we are teaching them entrepreneurship, we are giving them industrial training. We train them in such a way that they can handle themselves anywhere. So they can go and as freelance designers, they can go and teach anywhere. They will be able to, lot of scope. Even sitting at home, if your family is not letting you go out, तुम्ही ऑर्डर घेऊन शकता आणि किती बी करून शकता. अँड इफ यू वॉन्ट टू बी अ मॉडल, अगेन इट्स नॉट अ बॅड फील्ड, बट सर्टन एक्सपेक्टेशन्स आर देर. तुमकां कितें तरी असूंक जाय. लायक यू नीड टू हॅव अ प्रॉपर फिगर फॉर रॅम्प वॉक. Okay, if you want to do still photography, you can be short, you can be whatever, but if you want to do ramp walk, we expect little height and we expect a particular figure. So I train the models and I tell them that you need to reduce so much, you need to increase so much, you need to do this kind of thing. So naturally, I don't tell them to do like no keto diets and all those things. I always tell them ke naturally kar tumhi, and it's possible.
आता वेगवेगळे कम्युनिटी कोर्सेस आसा म्हणटा, सो हे कोर्सेस कसले आसा?
आमचे टेक्निकल आणि नॉन टेक्निकल कोर्सेस आसा, बट टेक्निकल मोस्टली वी ट्राय टू गिव देम. सो टेक्निकल कोर्सेस आमचे रेफ्रिजरेशन एंड एअर कंडिशनिंग, वी हॅव थिंग्स लाईक डिझेल मेकॅनिक, वी हॅव प्लंबिंग, carpentry, fashion designing, and then we have bakery and confectionery. One thing we have which is not there in the college is home nursing. तेची खूप डिमांड आसा because today a lot of elderly people need help. They are alone. I get many calls from many people telling me that look for somebody to look after me. I don't want anything. I just want some company. Take company जाय. You know, elderly people are left alone because children have gone abroad. Children are not there to look after them. So many people want, so we do this home nursing course and they are earning very well there. So we are having different courses and according to the course they are earning.
फॅशन डिझायनिंग जेन्ना करता तेन्ना फॅशन शो ऑर्गनायज करपाक तुमची कशी मदत जाता?
Fashion show is not just what you see on top. तुमकां कितें दिसता की इट्स व्हेरी नायस ग्लॅमरस, ते सगळे चलता आणि यू नो म्युजिकान चलता, बट देर इज लॉट ऑफ प्रॅक्टिस. दे नीड टू नो हाऊ टू वॉक इन दोज हिल्स फॉर आवर्स फ्रॉम अर्ली मॉर्निंग टिल लेट नाईट. 12 hours 13 hours तेका ते स्टिलेटोजान रावंक जाय. And we have a lot of backstage work. First, when the models reach, I have shows. I have done even 50 shows in one day.
50 shows?
Yeah. For International Fashion Week, when we did last year, in 3 days we did 80 shows. In those 80 shows, we had one day where we had 50 shows. Okay. So it is like lot of work. And models come on that day. So in one day, we are doing trials, we are doing alteration, then we are doing choreography, then we are doing the dress rehearsal, and then we are putting them for the show. So we start like 7 in the morning, 8 in the morning, we end at 1, 12, 1 in the night. Lot of work.
पण गोंयान आमचे आतां कितले मॉडल्स तुमकां दिसता की फाटल्या वर्सांनी आनी आतां कितले मॉडल्स चले आमकां गोंयांतल्यान मेळ्ळा कशे?
Goa has a little bit of a problem with height. ते प्रॉब्लम असता. डस्की स्किन जो Goa's got, that is in demand. That is our plus point. Because in fashion we look for dusky skin, because dusky skin everything suits. For fair skin and for dark skin you think this will suit, this will not. Dusky skin is good. So skin is not an issue. But आमची height मातशे कमी आसा compared to North Indians. So when we do International Fashion Week and all, we take maximum 10 Goans. And 40-50 will be from north. So they have that height and they are thinner. So that is a little bit of a problem for Goa. But we do have a few Goans who have done very well. Amche khub asa, there are 6-footers. Every year I have trained at least one 6-footer म्हाका मेवता.
ओके. आमी जेन्ना चलयां बद्दल उलयता त्यांच्या हायटी बद्दल, आनी चल्यांचे कशें कितें आसता हांगासर? गोंयचे आमकां चले मॉडल्स कितले मेळ्ळा?
Boys also same problem. आमचे हायटीचे प्रॉब्लम आसा. Okay, somehow in Goa we have very less boys with good height. And without height, what happens? The ramp is very far, stage is far. When people see, when you are short, you can't see properly. So that's why we look for that long height, and that also we have problem. But I have found some good people, some good boys. I've been training models, so we know. But it is a problem compared to, like, if you go to Bangalore, Delhi, Bombay and all that, you will get much better models. So
गोंयान फॅशन वर्ल्ड किंवा फॅशन शो म्हणले काय ना ऑटोमॅटिकली रहिला खान हे नाव येता. सो तुमची आता तुम्ही ऑलरेडी एक खंय तरी अचिवमेंट तुमचे जाला, एक तुमचं खंय तरी एक स्टँडिंग आसा, पण रहिला खान एक अराउंड 5 वर्सांनी स्वतः खंय पळयता.
I will only look at myself doing social work, helping people in whatever field, fashion, cooking, restaurant, anything. I'm there. But I love to be with people. I'm a people's person. And I already got my Lifetime Achievement Award at Asia Fashion Awards last year. I am not looking for those kind of things. But I told him, I said, I'm not accepting this because I don't want to retire ever. Till my last breath, I want to help people. That's my dream.
तुम्ही स्वतः कितले लोकां खातीर मेंटर आसा, तुम्ही स्वतः खातीर एक प्रत्येकाचे अशे आयडल आसता तशी तुम्ही खूप जाणां खातीर आयडल आसा. तुमची कोण आशिल्ली मेंटर की तुमची आयडल कोण आशिल्ली?
Mother Teresa. From my childhood till today. Mother Teresa. It's like I always wanted to be like her. At least 10% of her, if I have done a great job. And I think from my heart I have been working, so people know that. And that's the best gift I have got. That people love me everywhere.
तुम्ही शिकयता, तुमच्यो वेगवेगळे कम्युनिटी, तुमचे वेगवेगळे प्रोजेक्ट चालू असता, फॅशन शो अटेंड करता, पण जेन्ना फ्री टायम मेळटा तेन्ना तुम्ही कितें करता?
Free time मेळूंक ना म्हाका. I don't know what is free time. I really don't know because I am shuffling. College in Asta 9 to 5. Then after 5 in the evening, I go home. I cook for the family. I don't believe in eating out except birthdays and parties. Then I have lot of friends, so we go out. I'm into all these shows and this and that, auditions. Kite asta, Saturday, Sunday, no day I'm at home.
ओके, सो फ्री टायम म्हाका दिसता कितें तो विसरून गेला.
I don't know what is free time. If I get, I don't know what I'll.
ओके, कितल्योश्योच बायल्यो आसतात आतां ज्यो फुडें सरपाक सोदता, पण खंय तरी फॅमिली खातीर किंवा बाकीचे कम्युनिटी खातीर म्हणा, तांकां वेगवेगळे बंधनां आसा, ताच्या खातीर ती फुडें सरपाक शकनात. अशा बायलांक तुमी कितें सांगतली?
I always tell, make them believe in you. Because even my father-in-law was against. Then he started believing in me. Because if you can convince them, तू तेका दाखोय की हांव कितें वाट करिना न्हू, I am doing something good. Take them for your shoots, take them for your shows. Let your family know what you are doing. And when my father came, when I was working in a factory in Bangalore, I was a general manager and I was this small tiny thing at the time when I was 21 years old something. My father came and everybody salam chap. He felt so proud and he was like, do anything you want. So the family should know the kind of respect you're getting, the kind of work you're doing. Otherwise sitting at home they think, God knows where she's going, whom she's meeting. If they see your work, they will support you. So I feel involve your family. Tell them every day what happens. Make them your friends. I always do that. I come home and tell everybody whatever happens in my life. So everybody's support is there.
आमी जेन्ना आतां तुमकां पळयतात एज अ म्हणजे सक्सेसफूल लेडी अशी तुमकां पळयता, पण सदांच तुमी अशी तीच कॉन्फिडंट आशिल्ली की जेन्ना तुमी ह्या फिल्डान गेली तेन्ना तुमकां कॉन्फिडन्स तुमचो वाडलो की रहिला मॅम जी आतां आसा ती अशी पयलीं नाशिल्ली?
Nashilli. I had a very bad inferiority complex because in my family I am very dark. My sister, my mother and my grandmother all are Europeans and everybody used, like, they look like Europeans, they are not Europeans, but they used to always say why she became so dark, and they used to tell my mother, everybody used to ask, she's your real daughter, and my mother used to say no, I borrowed her. So I used to cry. I used to think my mother is not proud of me. My dad was dark, so I became like him and I'm proud of that. But at that time I didn't understand. As a child I used to cry. I used to not talk to anybody. Anybody comes home, I used to run inside. I used to say now they will talk about my color. So I had body shaming too. Body shaming meaning my color. I was very thin, so they used to talk about that. Give her something to eat, you all are not feeding her. and they used to bring creams and give me, apply this, you will become fair, do this, your hair will become better. I didn't care. So initially I was small, I didn't understand, but as I grew up, I thought I can never compete with my mother or sister or anybody in looks, but I can become the most beautiful person in the world, and that is in my hands. So I started working on that. I started working on my character, and till today I am working on myself. I am not perfect, but I do my best. I do my best with my heart, and then everybody started feeling that I look very beautiful. And then everybody is like, anything suits you. I said, yes, I know. And then I became this confident person, because when I started working on my nature, I started feeling that I'm looking at the mirror, I feel that I look good. Why should anybody else tell me? I don't care what others think. Like, I hardly ever apply makeup. I'm not into all these things, but I attend shows, I go anywhere, I don't mind. It's like me, this is me.
ओके सर, इतले बरे हांगासर तुमकां आयकोपाक मेळटा मॅम कडल्यान की म्हाका दिसता हो प्रॉब्लम खुबशा लोकां मदीं आसतलो की कॉन्फिडन्स कमी आसता. सगळ्यांक दिसता की ना आपूण मातशें तर काळें आसा किंवा मोटवें आसा किंवा मातशें बरें दिसना, तर सगळ्यांक दिसता की ना आपूण खंय तरी लोकां पेक्षा कमी आसा. पण अशें ना. आनी हे मॅमान सारकें प्रूव करून दाखयलां की तिणें कशें ओवरकम केलें. म्हाका दिसता बेस्ट देख आसा सगळ्यां खातीर तिणें जें सांगलें तें, आनी सगळ्यांनी ही देख घेवची. आमकां कार्यक्रमाची सांगता करच्या पयलीं म्हाका सांगा की आमची इतल्योश्यो बायल्यो आसतल्यो ह्यो तुमकां आतां पळयता आसतल्यो, तांचे खातीर तुमी कितें सांगतली?
The power is in you. You are very powerful, and don't depend on anybody to make you happy, and don't expect anything from anyone. Expectations hurt. तुमकां कितें एक्सपेक्टेशन आसता न्हू, my husband will give me a bouquet, my son will bring me a gift, my daughter will do this for me, my son will take care of me, then you get upset. If you don't have expectation, you build your life, you save for your future, you take care of yourself. Why should you depend on anybody? You can do it, everybody can do it. Save for yourself, look after yourself, be financially independent. Don't depend on anyone for money. If you have money, everybody will come to you. So that is all I can say.
रहिला मॅमान आमकां एक खूब बरो संदेश दिला की आपल्या खुशी खातीर, आपल्या अस्तित्वा खातीर किंवा कसल्याच गजाली खातीर तुमी दुसऱ्याचेर अवलंबून रावूं नाकात. स्वताची खुशी आनी स्वताचे तुमकां कितें जाय ते स्वताचेरूच तुमी अवलंबून रावात. कित्याक जेन्ना आमी कोणा कडल्यान एक्सपेक्टेशन दवरतात आनी ती सारकी जायना, पुराय जायना, जाल्यार खूब दूख जाता आनी हे दुख्ख मागीर तुमकां खूब त्रास दिता. त्यापेक्षा तुम्ही स्वताचेर कॉन्फिडन्स दवरा, स्वताचे खातीरूच तुम्ही हॅपी रावात. आणि म्हाका दिसता खूब बरो संदेश दिल्लो आसा. आनी तांच्या बरोबर ही भासाभास करतना खरेंच म्हाका तरी खूब मोटिवेटींग दिसलें. हांव खूब मोटिवेट जाल्लें आसा. आनी हांव जाणा की तुमी जी पळयतात हांगा बसून मॅमाक आमकां हांगासर, ती खरेंच मोटिवेट जातली आनी तांचे कडल्यान खूब कितें शिकपा सारकें आसा. तुम्ही आमच्या कार्यक्रमान येवन आमच्या कार्यक्रमाची शोभा वाडयली, ताका लागून खरेंच तुमकां मना काळजांतल्यान तुमकां देव बरें करूं. आनी तुमच्या फुडच्या वाटचाली खातीर तुमकां खरेंच ऑल द बेस्ट. आनी तुमकां आमी खुबशा फॅशन शोजान आनी खुबशे फॅशन रिलेटेड इव्हेंट्सान आमी तुमकां सतत पळयत रावतली ही आमकां आशा आसा. आनी परत एक फावटी तुमकां देव बरें करूं. अस्मिताच्या आयच्या भागान आमच्या बरोबर आशिल्ली आमची आयची गेस्ट रहिला खान, आनी तांच्यांनी आपलो मोलादीक हांगासर वेळ दिलो आनी आमच्या खुबश्यो बायलां आसा तांकां मोटिवेट केल्या. फुडल्या भागान मेळुया अशाच एका अस्तुरेक, जाणून घेवया तिजो मोटिवेशनल हो प्रवास. तोपर्यंत पळयत रावात गोमंतक टीव्ही. देव बरें करूं.